For generations, humanity has believed that the greatest threats from space could be predicted long before they arrived. Every asteroid, comet, and interstellar traveler follows the laws of gravity, allowing astronomers to calculate where it has been and where it is going. That confidence has shaped the way we explore the universe. But every so often, an object appears that refuses to fit neatly into those expectations. Instead of answering questions, it creates new ones. When the mysterious object now known as 3I ATLAS entered the inner solar system, researchers initially classified it as another interstellar visitor passing through our cosmic neighborhood. Its incredible speed immediately made headlines, and early calculations suggested it would sweep past the planets before disappearing forever into deep space. At first glance, there seemed to be nothing extraordinary about its destination. It looked like another rare but harmless encounter. As more observations arrived from powerful observatories around the world, however, that confidence slowly began to fade. Fresh measurements revealed tiny but measurable changes in the object's motion. They were subtle enough to escape immediate attention, yet consistent enough that they could not simply be dismissed as observational errors. Every new data point forced scientists to refine their calculations once again. The James Webb Space Telescope soon joined the effort, providing an unprecedented look at the visitor using its highly sensitive infrared instruments. Webb's observations revealed details hidden from ground-based telescopes, exposing unusual activity surrounding the object's nucleus. Instead of behaving like a typical icy traveler that gradually releases gas as sunlight warms its surface, this object displayed bursts of activity that appeared strangely organized. Astronomers have spent decades studying comets, and although each one is unique, they generally follow familiar patterns. Jets of gas erupt from unpredictable locations as frozen material vaporizes, creating chaotic streams that push the object slightly off course. Those random outbursts are expected. What scientists were seeing here appeared noticeably different. As researchers compared weeks of observations, they noticed that the object's path seemed to be changing in ways that were difficult to explain using ordinary comet physics alone. Each correction was incredibly small, but together they hinted that something unusual was influencing its trajectory. The possibility that these adjustments were entirely natural remained the most likely explanation, yet the consistency of the changes encouraged scientists to investigate further. Another surprise came from the expanding cloud of gas surrounding the object. Instruments detected increasing levels of carbon dioxide and other volatile compounds escaping into space. The bright halo surrounding the nucleus intensified much faster than expected, suggesting that activity beneath the surface was evolving rapidly as the object traveled closer to the Sun. What truly captured researchers' attention was the apparent rhythm of some of these emissions. Instead of occurring at completely random intervals, certain observations suggested that bursts of material appeared with an unusual regularity. Scientists immediately cautioned against drawing dramatic conclusions, noting that rotating comet nuclei can naturally produce repeating patterns as sunlight illuminates different regions of their surfaces. Even so, the consistency sparked lively discussions across the astronomical community. Every new observation raised another question. Was this simply an unusually active interstellar comet unlike any previously studied, or was there an entirely different physical process taking place beneath its dusty exterior? No one could yet provide a definitive answer. As computational models improved, astronomers recalculated the object's future path thousands of times using slightly different assumptions. Most simulations continued to show a safe passage through the solar system. Yet a small number of models demonstrated how even tiny changes caused by outgassing could noticeably alter its long-term trajectory. That realization highlighted just how sensitive orbital predictions become when dealing with active objects traveling at extraordinary speeds. Attention gradually shifted toward Mars. Although the overwhelming majority of calculations indicated that the planet faced no immediate danger, researchers became increasingly interested in understanding how continued outgassing might influence future projections. Monitoring the object became a top priority because every fresh measurement reduced uncertainty and improved the accuracy of those models. Meanwhile, observatories across several continents coordinated around-the-clock observations. Ground-based telescopes, orbital instruments, and radio facilities all contributed pieces of the puzzle. Each wavelength revealed different information about the object's composition, structure, and behavior. Together, they painted a picture far more complex than anyone had anticipated during the discovery announcement. Public fascination grew just as quickly as the scientific investigation. Social media filled with speculation ranging from perfectly reasonable scientific theories to extraordinary claims involving alien technology and hidden government secrets. Experts repeatedly reminded the public that unusual observations do not automatically imply artificial. Long before this visitor reached the inner solar system, it had been traveling through the vast emptiness between stars for an unimaginable length of time. Unlike ordinary comets that originate from our own cosmic neighborhood, an interstellar object carries the chemical history of another planetary system. Every layer of ice, every grain of dust, and every mineral locked inside its surface represents conditions that may have existed around a completely different star. That alone makes such an object one of the rarest scientific opportunities imaginable. As researchers continued examining 3I, Atlas, they focused on understanding its physical composition rather than the sensational claims spreading online. Spectroscopic observations allowed scientists to separate the light reflected by the object into its individual wavelengths, revealing clues about the gases escaping from its surface. The results suggested a mixture unlike anything previously documented from most familiar comets. While none of the findings proved anything extraordinary on their own, the overall chemical profile encouraged researchers to keep looking more closely. The James Webb Space Telescope played a major role during this phase of the investigation. Its infrared instruments could detect molecules that are difficult or impossible to observe from Earth's surface because our atmosphere absorbs many of those wavelengths. By comparing Webb's observations with measurements from ground-based observatories, astronomers built a far more complete picture of the object's evolving activity. As temperatures increased while the object moved closer to the Sun, fresh jets of gas continued appearing across its surface. These eruptions altered the surrounding cloud of dust and gas, making the comet's appearance change from week to week. Such behavior is not uncommon for active comets, yet the distribution of these jets appeared unusually stable over extended periods. Instead of randomly shifting across the surface, several active regions remained persistent throughout multiple observation sessions. This stability generated lively debate among planetary scientists. One group argued that the object simply possessed an uncommon rotational geometry that repeatedly exposed the same active regions to sunlight. Another suggested that its internal structure might differ significantly from ordinary solar system comets, allowing gases trapped deep below the surface to escape through long-lasting fractures. Meanwhile, orbital specialists continued refining their calculations. Every tiny burst of escaping gas acted like a miniature engine, applying a gentle force that slightly altered the object's motion. These non-gravitational effects are well known in comet research, but accurately modeling them remains extremely difficult because scientists cannot directly observe every jet or determine exactly how much material is being expelled at any given moment. Using increasingly sophisticated computer simulations, researchers generated thousands of possible future trajectories. The overwhelming majority still indicated that the object would safely continue its journey beyond the planets after completing its passage through the solar system. Nevertheless, scientists remained cautious because even very small uncertainties could accumulate over millions of kilometers. At the same time, engineers responsible for robotic missions orbiting Mars paid close attention to every updated prediction. Orbiters such as Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, Mars Odyssey, and the European Space Agency's spacecraft continued their normal scientific operations, but mission planners monitored orbital forecasts to determine whether any additional observations of the interstellar visitor might become possible. The possibility of studying an object from another star using spacecraft already operating around Mars represented an extraordinary scientific opportunity. Even if no close encounter occurred, collecting data from multiple locations across the solar system would greatly improve scientists' understanding of its properties. Outside the scientific community, however, speculation continued growing. Images processed by amateur astronomers circulated widely across the internet, with many viewers claiming to see geometric structures, mysterious beams of light, or artificial shapes hidden within the comet's glowing coma. Experienced astronomers urged caution, explaining that long-exposure photography, digital enhancement, and atmospheric distortion frequently create visual artifacts that appear meaningful despite having entirely natural causes. Despite those explanations, public fascination only intensified. Every unusual image inspired fresh theories, while every scientific update was interpreted in dramatically different ways depending on the audience. Some saw the object as a once-in-a-lifetime astronomical discovery. Others imagined it as evidence of something far more mysterious. Researchers themselves remained focused on measurable evidence. Their goal was not to confirm extraordinary ideas but to understand why this particular visitor differed from previously observed interstellar objects. Every observation, regardless of how ordinary or unusual it appeared, contributed valuable information toward solving that puzzle. As additional weeks passed, the data became